Ekoromogi Jaod bura Kaguchia ni enyim duol mochung'ne riwo wi oganda NCIC kaluwore kod weche mabende liekore ni ne owacho mane nyalo kelo pogruok e kind oganda kendo nyalo kelo athuye kendo bende ne en tiere e romo mar siasa mane oyuore kod jopiny. Kaguchia njomaki jumbe mokadho kekara mondo mi donjne gi ketho mar ne thuo oganda. Mae kaka chenro dhi nyime e nyim NCIC.
Investigation, we will equally state our legal position. Just clarify those two issues.
Thank you. First of all, you're here to assist the Commission in the investigations of this matter. Second of all, let me state this.
So we are here for investigations, right?
Yes, Council Jomo, you have stated clearly the rule of subjudice. And the rule of subjudice applies where there are two matters of the same nature in the same subject.
No, don't even go to those merits. You have clarified. You have clarified your position. So can we respond on what we need to do if we are here for investigation?
Wakili, you know, let's be order. Let's be orderly. Let's be orderly. Wait a minute. Council Jomo.
Yeah, let me.
No. Let us be orderly in this matter. Wait a minute.
We'll lose the point.
No.
If she says
There is a question.
subjudice is where there are matters proceeding the
Council.
That is wrong. That is wrong.
Council. Wait a minute.
That is not
Council.
subjudice.
Council. Wait a minute.
No.
Commission.
That is subjudice. That is not subjudice.
Council. You know, I gave you time.
Yes.
Nobody interfered with you.
But
wait a minute.
You object.
No. Wait a minute, Council.
Chair, you object when misinterpretation is given.
Wait a minute, Council.
We might not allow
Let's be orderly.
misinterpreted.
Let us be orderly. I am on the chair. Let's be orderly. Please, you know the rules of engagement. When the chair rules or when he gives advice or direction, it should be honored. As simple as that. Wakili Ndewo has asked a question. She has not even responded. And then you have delved in. Why can't we allow Commissioner Jerusha to answer the question,
yes,
explain what she wanted to explain? Because what we are doing, we are distracting her and we are causing her to lose the flow of thought.
No, we are not distracting her. We are simply telling her that she has misunderstood the meaning of subjudice.
Wait a minute, Wakili.
That's what we are saying.
Wakili, you know, the thing is this.
Or she has deliberately and innocently misunderstood.
The thing is this. Wakili, councils, with due respect, let us obey the rules and the procedures. You know that. You are actually honorable councils.